You can expect a lot from the 2014 Ford Escape. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include a split folding rear seat, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and more. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Come on in and take a test drive.